Okay, guys, I'm working on replacing the manifolds on the Suburban, so this space is kind of occupied, but I did want to film the something with the Mustang today, and that is installing this. I'm gonna see what size screws we're gonna use to install this. Let's see real quick. I believe these are the original screws. We're gonna use these. These are this smaller. I'm gonna show you guys why I think I can get away with these. And they're stainless, so that's kind of the theme that I'm going with. Let's see something real quick. They fit pretty good. Maybe. I got some more screws too, so let's see. Let's see how this fit. These fit good too, although they don't fit down in that groove. Let me see if I can find some more. They are long enough. They're self-tapping, so let me see something. Let me see if I got something else. I'm gonna show you how small the hole look under here. You also want to use one of these pick tools to find our holes once again. Look at those holes, they're pretty small. And we don't want to make new holes, so we're gonna use those. Let's see. I'm gonna have to get one that's with an angle on to go up in there. Let's see what we got. I should be able to get this one. These two are closer together. Here's one, here's another one. And those are kind of spaced apart. Look at that, you can see how back here, they're spaced apart. These are right up front. Now you gotta find it. Let me poke it up some more. I found one of the front holes and I marked it with that. Okay, so it's like right here. So I'll take a knife and make a little incision right there and we'll get the hole, but let's get the back ones. I found it was way here. I'm actually scraping on top of the point, so I know where I'm at. We got that one marked, so we right here, fill it. I just pushed it through. So we got an idea. I'm gonna make a small incision here with the knife. We know where we at. Let me get the others marked. And this one's right here. We gotta make an incision there. I used a orange marker for here. So we're in this vicinity with this one. Small incision there. And let me do the other two. Got that one sticking out. All right, let me get to this one. All right. Now I can make my incisions. Got my spots and get these things drilled in. All right, we're in. Stain these bolts. Let's go take a look under the bottom and see. So, all the holes are perfect. I'm gonna spray them. I'm gonna add one last coat under here to ultimately protect everything. Those are stainless, so we ain't gotta worry about them rusting out. But the metal kind of got exposed there, so we're gonna clean it up real nice. Make it look like these. Gonna make it look just like these. These will be protected forever. So, let's close that down. Let's get to the back now. All right, get this closed down. Get the snaps in there somehow. Locks back here. It's blocking me. Snaps here. So this snaps here. So this part let's get some new screws for here. That looks nice. Got this glued in really nice. It was kind of loose, cleaned it up. That looks nice. It looks really nice. So let's put those bolts in. Then we go into the back and do that back carpet right now. So I'm gonna use these stainless screws. Got a stubby screwdriver right here. The hole's too big. Let's see. Let's see how this fits first. We want it to fit flush. Okay. That's nice. That's nice. Flush. That's nice. Make sure you do that screw down. Alright. Let me show you all what screws they are. I use them right there. These are these 834s. The screws I use for the console are these. All right, let's get. You know what? I gotta make that a separate video because I have to go get the carpet and stuff. So this video will just be for the center console. Quick video showing you all the easy way how to install it. If when you put the carpet in, and that looks nice. That looks nice. We're coming together, guys. We really are. So the next video will be the carpet video. Just do that in one. And I can't install those rear panels yet because the lights gotta go in first. So we'll be getting to that in a minute as well. But that's that. I removed the steering wheel. It's over there because I found a new centerpiece. Snap. A new old stock piece for here. So I'm gonna pop that out and change it out. because the red is more pronounced on the new one. So I'm gonna take this clear plastic off and pop the new one in when it comes. So that's why I didn't install the steering wheel. So I'll show you guys that when I install it. So it should be here tomorrow or the next day. Pop that in, then I can put the steering wheel on. So videos to come right now. After that is rear carpet, the windshield. I was just waiting until I get the steering wheel on, but I'm just gonna pop the windshield on real quick. And stay tuned for those two. And then we're gonna do lights. We're gonna do tail lights, marker lights, side marker lights, and pop that fender on. Be looking for a hood video showing you guys what I'm doing with the hood right now. It was terrible. It's painted well, but it was terrible, and I'll show you guys that in a second. The video will probably be launching in a few days as well. All right, stay tuned for all the videos to come, and a lot of cool videos for the white and blue Mustang as well. Thanks for watching. Terrence, I'm out.